Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your Chainlink tokens from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to send Chainlink from Binance to Coinbase. This process is straightforward, but always remember that crypto transactions involve risks, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need verified accounts on both Binance and Coinbase, some Link tokens in your Binance wallet, and a basic understanding of blockchain networks. Oh, and keep an eye on any platform updates in 2025. Exchanges like Binance might have new interfaces or fees, so stay informed. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. From there, select Withdraw to start the process. It's usually right at the top for easy access. Step 2. Search for Chainlink or Link in the withdrawal options. Once you select it, you'll need to choose the right network. For Chainlink, it's most commonly the Ethereum network, so pick that to ensure compatibility with Coinbase. Step 3. Now, enter your Coinbase wallet address. You can find this by logging into Coinbase, going to your account, and copying the address for Link. Pro tip. Always paste it carefully and verify it matches exactly. Crypto addresses are case sensitive, and one wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Step 4. Review the details, including the amount you're withdrawing and any fees involved. Binance might charge a small fee, and network fees can vary based on Ethereum's gas prices in 2025. Once you're happy, hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log into your Coinbase account and check your wallet. Your Chainlink should appear shortly. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to the exchange support or double-check your steps. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. It's a great way to diversify your holdings or prepare for other trades. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.